Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Kenkey. Kenkey is made from fermented corn dough. So let's get started into making our Kenkey. So I have my fermented corn dough, which I'll be dividing into 3 parts. So I'll scoop one portion into my pot and I'll add some water and mix it. I'll be adding some salt to it. So after mixing, just place it on fire and I'll keep on stirring till it becomes like banku. So mine is very soft like this. This is how I want it. So I'll go ahead to mix it to the other 2 portions remaining. You can use your spatula to mix it or you use your hand. Now, after mixing everything, I just pick these corn leaves that I cleaned properly. Then I'll just scoop some of this dough onto the corn leaves. Then I'll use the remaining corn leaves to cover it properly. The process of covering the dough was not easy for me because this is my first time. I hope in my next trial I will make it perfectly without any difficulties. So after doing this for the remaining dough, I'll just put everything in a plastic foam before I'll put it in my pot for it to get cooked. It's always difficult for me to get kenkey in my area. So this is weekend, Saturday in my area, and I can't go to the main town to buy kenkey. So I'll just prepare this for my family. Please, if you are new here, I welcome you and I entreat you to subscribe to this channel. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always staying tuned to Nana's Meals. And I hope to always see you and your comments whenever I post a new video. Now I'm done. I'm going to put everything in this pot, but this pot was very small, so I had to change it into a different pot so that it can cook properly. So I'll place it on fire, and after about 20 minutes I open to turn it over so that every portion will get cooked. So this will cook for 30 minutes before I take it away from the boiling water. So after 30 minutes, I'm now removing my kenkey. Yes, it's very hot, so you have to be careful when removing it. Now it is time to pick my kenkey and tie the rubber and remove the husk so that I'll get my kenkey. I hope it will come out perfectly because this is my first time of making it. When we were young, where we used to stay, we're having a family that runs kenkey business and we used to help them prepare it. So I still have the concept fresh in my mind. So this is what I applied. See how beautiful my kenkey is. I use the yellow corn. You can use the white one too. So I've just added my other toppings so that I'll be able to eat my kenkey. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.